What's going on YouTube? Thought I'd give you guys a quick update. The puppies are 3 weeks old today, and you can see that all their eyes are open and they are getting around pretty good. Look at Miss Red here, just like her mama. So feisty. What are you doing? What are you doing? They are all still thriving and eating good. We'll get weights later today. I'm just getting off work, so the main concern was coming home and getting them all cleaned up, and they are starting to poop everywhere. So they all got a quick wash down, and we changed out the puppy pads, and we changed out the blanket for a clean one. And it's pretty amazing that at 3 weeks they pee and poop on this area where the puppy pads are. That used to be where the heating pads were, and they keep their space over here pretty clean. So we'll be progressing to a little puppy potty pretty soon with some pine shavings, but right now we just got the pads here, and they're starting to climb, as you saw Red at the beginning of the video, getting up here trying to get out. So we have one puppy sold already for sure. We had a couple people back out, but Miss Red is going home. She'll be going to Colorado. Purple, who she's over there playing with, is staying here with us. Big Don is staying here with us. And we have multiple interested buyers in blue and yellow and pink. So we'll be accepting deposits on each of the puppies, and they'll be able to go home on August 13th. We'll keep you updated on the puppies' progression. I won't say every day, but for sure we'll try weekly. You see them getting around pretty good. It'll be time for them to eat here soon. We're gonna let Cairo out to feed them. She just was outside. Her and Memphis running around playing, and I just fed her, so I'm gonna let her food settle for a little bit. Then I'm gonna let her out to feed the puppies. They are now eating every 3.5 to 4 hours, and we'll start them on some light puppy mush later in the week, maybe around Saturday. We'll try them with some puppy mush. Start weaning them. Right now they just like to sleep. Big Don, that's his favorite position. And our blue boy right there likes to snuggle. You can't really see his little face. Tail's covering it, but yep, they're starting to act like big dogs, starting to play and wrestle with one another. Cairo out here so she can feed these little guys, and I can get to bed. She hopped in and woke them up. Feed your babies, Cairo. Now you can see them active, running around, trying to get to mom. She's gonna try to clean them for a little bit. And even if she does lay down, she won't settle. She won't settle right away, because she's trying to still clean them, get the pee and poop. It normally takes her about 5 to 10 minutes for her to fully settle and let them eat. And she still comes in the pen and clean up after them. So as soon as I cleaned the pen out, they came right over here. 2 of them came right over here and peed. So Cairo will come in and she'll look for that to clean up, which she did, and then she'll lay down for a little bit, but she'll pop back up in a second because she'll be busy cleaning now. And cleaning up after her. So you see, she'll pop up. And they'll have to come find mom again. Good girl. So yeah, I didn't want to hold you guys too long. They'll nurse like this for the next 20 or so minutes if she doesn't pop right back up. And then they'll be good for the next 3.5 to 4 hours.